Played with the cat and bills to pay. He learned to walk while I was away. Talking boy, I knew it and then he said, I'm gonna be like you. Yeah, don't wanna be like you. Got you in the cradle of the silver spoon, little boy blue, when the man in the moon. When you coming home, Dad, I don't know when we'll get together then. Don't we'll have a good time then. My son turned 10 just the other day. Said thanks for the fall, Dad, come on, let's play. You teach me nothing more. I said not today, I got a lot to do. He said that's okay. Then he walked away, smiling every day. He said I'm gonna be like him. You know I'm gonna be like him. Got you in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you coming home, Dad, I don't know when we'll get together then. Son, you know we'll have a good time then. When he came home from college just the other day, much like a man, I just had to say, I'm proud of you, can you sit for a while? He shook his head and he said with a smile, what I'd really like, Dad, is to borrow the car keys. I'll see you later, can I have them please? Got you in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you coming home, son, I don't know when we'll get together then. Dad, you know we'll have a good time then. Long since retired, my son's moved away. I called him up just the other day. I'd like to hire you if you don't mind. He said, I'd love to, Dad, if I could find the time. See, my new job's a hassle and the kids got the flu, but it's real nice talking to you. Real nice talking to you. Hung up the phone and it occurred to me, my boy was just like me. My son was just like me. The cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you coming home, then I don't know when we'll get together then.